help you solve the problem of luxury vinyl tile floors after a few years of just mopping them with a mop and some cleaning products. A lot of times they can get a residue on them. So we have a great cleaning product, neutral product that doesn't leave residue, and it's got an additive that kills bacteria, viruses, and germs. And then what we do is we use a lot of microfiber pads with this machine. It does a great job of really getting down on the floor, and you can see the difference of how much dirt we can get out of this. Make it look like new and help you solve that problem.